In the quiet outskirts of a quiet Jamaican city, 20-year-olds Noel G. and GoldKingdom stumbled upon an ancient, vine-covered archway hidden behind a crumbling wall. Intrigued, they pushed through, revealing a shimmering portal pulsating with iridescent light. Without hesitation, they stepped through. On the other side, they found themselves in a vast, luminous cavern filled with floating orbs of gold, glittering gemstones, and artifacts from forgotten civilizations. The air hummed with a strange energy, as if the realm itself was alive. Noel G's eyes widened. This is a treasure beyond anything we imagined. GoldKingdom reached out, her fingertips brushing a floating jewel that floated lazily in midair. Suddenly, the ground beneath them trembled. A voice echoed, deep and resonant, yet strangely comforting. "Welcome, seekers! You have found the realm of Aeonis, a sanctuary of eternal riches. But beware, not all treasure is meant to be taken." As they gazed around, shimmering pathways revealed themselves, leading deeper into the realm. Noel G. and GoldKingdom exchanged excited but cautious glances. "We need to be careful," GoldKingdom whispered. "Who knows what kind of guardians might be here?" Just then, a shimmering guardian, an ethereal dragon made of light, appeared, its eyes glowing with ancient wisdom. "Respect the realm, and it will reward you. Take more than you need, and the realm shall vanish, leaving only memories." The two friends nodded, understanding that this treasure was more than riches. It was a test of respect and humility. They chose a few shimmering gemstones, enough to change their lives, and turned back toward the portal. As they stepped through, the realm shimmered away behind them, leaving only the faint glow of their newfound treasures, and the promise of adventure still to come. Back in the familiar world, Noel G. and GoldKingdom carried their treasures, forever changed by the realm of Aeonis, and the knowledge that some treasures are meant to be discovered, not taken.